initial topics like just common introduction classes, so versions. So these things we are discussing. Since few people they may join a little bit late, or few people they join from Monday onwards, something like that. They will join it up and downs. So that's why to avoid this all those things. So just initially we are discussing about the some basic classes we are discussing here. So in that, so the today's class, little bit somewhat some useful information related class here today. So which means SAP installation requirement, SAP, the installation requirements here, installation requirements. So installation requirement, installation means installing the softwares. So suppose if you want to install the media player, you need to download the media player software, right? At the same time, we want to install the SAP application. We want to install the SAP application. What we have to do? So we need to download the list of SAP softwares from service marketplace. So that is called the me.sap.com or support.sap.com. So these are the our SAP sites where we can get the documents, licenses, fees, softwares, all those things we will get from the system here, list of SAP softwares here, right? All the information we will get from here, right? So apart from that, sir, how to log in here? How to log into the service marketplace? So to log into the service marketplace, right? So to log into the service marketplace, we need the S user ID is required. So S user ID starts with the S00, then number it will start. So this will be provided by the company. Okay, when you join the organization, the company people will provide the S user ID for the downloading the software, licenses, keys, everything. They will provide the S user ID. This will be provided by organization. Organization. Okay. So this we have to log in and we need to download the softwares. Sir, what type of softwares we have to download it here? For SAP, we need there are some types of softwares we required. The first one is the SWPM tool we required, right? Then the second one is called the exports we required. The third one is called the kernel we required. The fourth one is called the DB and DB clients are required. The fifth one is called the SAP, the host agent is required. SAP, the host agent is required here. So these are the five types of softwares we required and we have to download from the service marketplace, which means me.sap.com or support.sap.com. Any sites, if you log into the support.com, it will route to the me.sap.com only, or so directly also you can log into the me.sap.com here, any one of the site here. Okay, so we have to list of the softwares. What are the software requirement means? These are the softwares you required from the service marketplace here, right? So here, sir, how to download these softwares then? How to download these softwares here? So how to download these softwares here? So log into the service marketplace. So just support.sap.com or me.sap.com. So just if you go to the here, so visit the me.sap.com or service.sap.com, it will route to the support portal only. It will route the support portal only here. It will route the support portal only here. So we'll route the support portal here. So here we need to So here, once we log into the support.sap.com with the S user ID, that will be authenticated. That will be authenticated here. You can see the authenticated here. So see here support.me.sap.com, then that is getting authenticated here. It is getting authenticated here. So here, once it is getting authenticated here, so you can see it here. If you go to the systems provisioning here. So here, what we can say here, systems provisioning, there is a SAP download center, SAP download center, software download center here. So or me.sap.com directly software download center also you can use directly open it here. Normally, you people won't get the access to the support portal, SAP marketplace. Why? Because it's required the S user ID. So normally you won't get the access to the S user ID to get this one. Once you join the organization, then only you will get the marketplace ID to download the SAP softwares here, right? So for downloading the softwares here, you can see so installations and upgrades, support pack and patches, databases here, right? So you have the three tabs are there here. So now we are doing the SAP build, SAP installations we are doing. Then SAP installation means here you will see. So all the softwares all these softwares they have categorized into the all the softwares they have categorized into the by alphabetical index here. Alphabetical index means see here. So by alphabetical index. So here A, B, C, D, something like that. So they have categorized. So VA means SAP, suppose like ASC, auto ID, infra A related. B means banking communication, Bob J related softwares. So like Bob J, BW related things will be available. C means CRM related. So C related all the softwares are available in the C. D related. E means ERP, ECC related all the softwares are available. F means Fury, so related softwares. G means gateway related. HP HANA related. All the softwares they have categorized into the S means S4HANA systems. So M means MDZ, L means Lumira. So all the softwares they have categorized as a by alphabetical index instead of clubbing all the softwares into the one folder. So they have categorized into the alphabetical order wise. So here, just if you scroll down, what are the list of softwares we have to download it here? That is called the SWPM tool, right? Just go to the service marketplace here, service marketplace here. Yes means SWPM tool. S means SWPM tool, which we have to download it here. S means SWPM tool here. You can see S means SWPM tool, which we have to download, right? Just to go to the here, SWPM means that is the tool actually. In the tool set that is available, SL tool set that is available here, SL tool set that is available here. So in the installation folder that is available here. So here you can see SWPM. So depends upon the operating system. So as I mentioned yesterday, SAP we can install on SAP we can install on any operating system, right? We can also install on any database, any operating systems and any database we can install it here. Install on any operating system and any database we can install it here. So right, so that is what we have to check it out here. Install on any operating system, anything we can install it here, right? So SWPM tool. So SWPM tool is the installation tool here. So if you want to do the SAP installation, you need this list of softwares. Just one software, you cannot do the installation. You need all this clubbing. You need to download it with this all the tools. You have to do the installation. So in the software side, SAP installation is the very big installation. It will take 5 to 6 hours. So 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours like that. It will take it out. Depends upon the your RAM or RAM memory. It will take it out. It's not the simple installation. 5 minutes, 10 minutes installation. It will take more than 4 hours and 5 hours. It will take the installation spot and everything here, right? So that is the thing of the this thing here. SAP installations and everything here. Installations. Okay. So this is the installation perspective, so we can download the SWPM tool. Just suppose you are installing on the Windows, then Windows related files like, yeah, Windows related file. This is the Windows related files. Checked out. Where is the Windows related zip file here? Windows. So Windows related file, you can download it here. Windows related file, you can download from the service marketplace here, right? Just click on this button. Your SWPM tool will be downloaded here, right? Yes means SWPM tool here. So then exports. So exports here, export may be changed, depends upon the your product. So for every SAP installation, any SAP installation means any SAP product installation, either SAP BW, either SAP CRM, either SAP ECC, either SAP so S4 HANA, either SAP so Fiori, or any SAP installation, we need common softwares, we have to download it here. Common softwares, we have to download it here. SWPM is common for all the products installation. Kernel is common for all the softwares. DB client is common. Host agent is common. So if you download one time all the softwares, you no need to download again all the softwares for the CRM. Not all the required for the ECC. So all one is required, right? But only thing is, suppose BW, then BW related exports we have to download it. ECC related exports we have to download. CRM related will only exports will change. Other than that, nothing will change. Only exports will change to the from one place to another place here. So exports will change. So suppose BW related means BW related exports may change it. Suppose like BW. So go to the B alphabetical index B. So only BW related exports B for BW. So so BI can't best practices, BW, business functions. So BI, so BI related, all those things we can download it, right? Exports. So suppose like if you go to the alphabetical index, C means CRM. So CRM related things here, CRM. So related things here, CRM related. So suppose like CRM related exports, we have to download it here. CRM related exports, we have to download from the system here. So every SAP product, that related software we have to download it here. Every SAP software, the related SAP software we have to download it here. CRM related, right? So SRM related. Okay. So S4HANA related. Only exports will change. Suppose if you want to download the ECC, then go to the E for ECC, then ERP. ECC comes under the ERP. So ERP enhancement packages here, EHP8. So then installation, we are doing the installation, right? Then you can download the installation exports. Installation exports. They are the total 4 parts: 1x4, 2x4, 3x4, and 4x4. So there, this is four softwares we have to download for the SAP installation here. 4 parts we have to download from the installation here. Okay. So this is the installation perspective. We need to download these softwares from service marketplace. Okay. So these are the installation perspective, installation export 1, export 2, export 3, export 4 here. These are the 4 exports we have to download it. 4 exports we have to download it here. Okay. So that is the installation exports here. Just if you click this button, automatically your exports will be downloaded here. You can see there is a zip file. It is getting downloaded. There is a it's getting downloaded here. Okay. So that is the installation export file here. So by alphabetical index. So suppose if you want to download the Fiori, suppose you want to install the Fiori, then Only Fiori related exports you have to download it here, right? So suppose if you want to download the S4 HANA, so then S for S4 HANA, then again you have to go for the S, then S4 HANA related softwares you can download it here. So for any product installation, so you have the common softwares we have to download it here. Solution Manager, SRM, right? So any product installation, we have the common softwares we have to download it here, right? Only exports will change, remaining all are common here. Only exports will change it here. So for BW export, CRM exports here, ECC exports here, S4HANA exports here will change, Fiori exports will change, right? So these things we can do it here, these things we can do it here, right? So then, so kernel means it's common software. If you go to here, K means kernel. So here alphabetical order wise they have segregated. CRM C, first letter is the C, then CRM related. S4 HANA, SWPM, first letter is C. ECC E, ECC related softwares are available here. So then kernel means K for kernel here. Just come to the here. So download the K related softwares here. So K related softwares you can download it here. So kernel 64-bit version you can download it here, right? 64-bit version. So Unicode, if you are doing the installation, what is the operating system? You can select the operating system. So then you can download the your related operating system. We can download it here. Operating system related kernel files, we can download it here in the systems. Okay. So that is the kernel related log files here. That is the kernel related log files. We can download it in the systems here. Okay.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, exe, exedb file both will come in the one file, right, sir? Here,
Which one?
actually, kernel have the two files, right?
Yes,
exe.
that will come. That will come. In the zip file, you will get the exedb will come. Otherwise, so if you want to download separately individually, then we can go to the support pack and patches. There also we can download it. So multiple ways. Either here we can download it, or so you can go to the support pack and patches. There also we can download it here. Go to the support pack and patches. So here also we can download it here. Yes means support packs. Here also you can download the all the related patches. You can download it. Go to the here also we can download it. So host agent means H for host agent. Then you can go for the go to the H for HANA, and S for host agent, and all H related things will comes to the here in this place here. So host agent. So host agent related things will comes under here. Host agent. So it is, yeah, this is the host agent. Host agent is the operating system level service. Host agent is the operating system level service here. In this operating system level service, so it will collect the operating system level data. Operating system level data. So that's why operating system level data, it will collect it. It will download the all the OS related information. Okay. So that is the one here. Okay. So like this DB client. So DB client, you can down separately go to the respective vendor site, or from here also we have the IBM DB to SQL Server, Oracle, MaxDB, all the softwares are available. Here also you can download it here. Suppose SQL Server, then you can download the SQL Server related files. You can download it here. Databases and files, you can download it here. Database related files, you can download it in the systems here. Okay. These are the SQL Server related files which you can download in the systems here. Okay. Those are the SQL Server related, database related, Oracle, whatever it may be, you can download the respective file. You can download it here. Respective file, you can download it here. So installations and upgrade by alphabetical index, you can download the E for ERP related, F for Fiori, G for gateway, H for HANA. So whatever the softwares you want to download it, then respective software you can download in the service marketplace here. So this is the one of the centralized place here. So you can download the all the softwares, any software SAP related, any document, any softwares, anything you can download it from the here, any software, anything. So kernel here. So here SWPM tool is the installation tool. SWPM is the installation tool. So any SAP product installation, this is the installer you have to start it. Then in the on top of the installation, on top of the installer, you need to provide the all the softwares locations and everything we have to provide it. Exports, like a exports are, so SAP standard data. Export contains the SAP standard data. Export contains the SAP standard data here. SAP export contains the standard data. So which means by default we will get the standard master data from the SAP. So those master data, they will save it as a exports here. That's why suppose ECC related exports, CRM related products and exports, like kernel related exports and products. So every software they have the respective exports are there here. Every software they have the respective exports are there in the systems here. Every software they have respective exports are there here. Okay. So that is the kernel related thing here. That is the kernel related thing here. Sorry, exports related. Kernel is the OS level library, binary files here. So kernel will communicate with the your operating system and your SAP application. This is the so it kind of mediator, middleman job. So kernel will behave as a middleman job here, mediator. So mediator between SAP and your operating system. So in case middleman is not working, the communication will broke, SAP system will be down, or SAP will not be started here. So middleman also it's required. Middleman job means mediator also required here. So that is the mediator here. Suppose like you and me, how the Zoom is behaving as a mediator, Zoom meeting link as a mediator. So how we both connected and we are working same way here. So here kernel also will come will act as a mediator, right? Kernel also will act as a mediator here in this case here, right? So DB client, DB client are the, so DB client are like a, so database related. Database means, you know, database means, so it will store the data. Database means it will store the business data which are coming from the application. It will store the business data here, the mediator here, right? Post agent is, it will collect the operating system level information, which means operating system level information means, so OS related CPU utilization, memory utilization, so your file system, network, this information it will collect, will inform to the SAP, so to store the data. That's why, so OS level information will be carried out by the OS level information will be carried out by the your, so SAP host agent. Here every software has their dedicated responsibilities here, right? So SWPM for the installation purpose we will use. Exports, as it contains the SAP master data, default data here, right? Kernel contains the OS level binaries and libraries here, right? DB client, database level information. To store the application data, it contains the DB host agent. So it is the SAP level. So OS level information, it will collect the host level information. That's why host level agent, right? So that is the LIC agent means we will just LIC related things we will do. So host agent means host level. Host level means the operating system level information. We will collect it here. So every software there is a responsibility, right? So these are the list of softwares we required from the service marketplace, and we have to download it from the, so here in the, here we can use the download center, download software. We can download the list of softwares from the SAP. Okay, list of softwares we have to download from the SAP marketplace here. This is a centralized place, not only softwares, anything we can download from the here, anything we can download from the, so SAP marketplace here, anything we can download from the marketplace here, right? So that is the, so one thing here. Okay. Okay, so installation, support pack and patches. So these are the, so list of tabs. Any software, SAP related any software we can download it. Suppose if you want to do the any product installation, any SAP product installation, So any product installation, we have to use the common list of softwares, common list of softwares here. So all these softwares are to build the SAP system. SAP is the three-tier architecture. SAP is the three-tier architecture here. So suppose like example DB, here DB related things will be available here. So here SAP related things are available here, and GUI related things are available here. GUI related things are available here. Means presentation layer means you are here. You are here. SAP presentation layer means you are here to store the SAP level data and everything here. SAP level data and everything. SAP. So standard data will be available here, and data DB data visible here. So here what will happen? GUI to SAP, SAP to DB. It will. This is the SAP architecture here. So here SAP, to build the SAP application server, you need the all the softwares here. So DB client to build the database, and the client is the communication purpose. So this is a SAP application. This is the database between two who will communicate, right, to store the data. That's why here we will install the DB client here. So it will come as part of the DB software. You no need to specially download the database client here for the for the this software. So for the SQL server, automatically it will come here. So DB client both will come here. Communication purpose. DB client is communicate with the your database to store the data here. So SAP, to build the SAP application, you need this all the list of softwares are required. You need all the list of softwares are required here. Got it? So this is the DB related information here. Okay, DB database level DB related information here. Okay, so apart from that DB related information. So these are the softwares. Any SAP product installation. Yesterday we discussed list of SAP product: ECC, BW, CRM, SRM, S4HANA, Fiori, MI servers, PI, PO, portal. So many number of SAP products are there. Depends upon the business, depends upon the client, SAP will go for installation of the respective product. So product it will be installed here. Respective installation it will do here. Means they will go for the respective installation. So as I mentioned, our activities are common. Our basis activities are common in the every SAP product installation. Suppose they want to go for the BW, then same list of softwares we have to download. BW related exports we have to download. They want to download the ECC, then same softwares will be useful. Only ECC related exports we have to download it. S4HANA related softwares we have to download it. Then S4HANA related exports we have to download it here. Okay, same list of softwares we have to download it, and we have to take it further here. Okay, so that is the list of softwares which we required for the list of softwares which we required for the SAP installation here, right? So now we need to download all the softwares. How means? Same way, whatever, however we calculated, same way we have to download it here. Go to the service marketplace. For ECC exports, click on that will be downloaded. So like that, we need to download all the softwares here. So kernel, SWPM, right? So kernel, exports. So all the things we have to download it in the marketplace here, right? So installation, we will do it on the Monday. Okay. So Monday we will perform the SAP installation, how to start the installation and everything. So before that, one more general topic here. So SAP technical terms. So I will not take much time. So during the initial classes. So just this is a last topic, small topic. So technical terms, SAP technical terms here. So terms. Okay. So what is this technical terms here? So in our classes going forward, we will discuss about the something like SAP SID and instance number. What is the application server? So what is the application server? DB server. Then we will discuss about the instance, right? We will discuss about the network, LAN, WAN, right? These things you know, LAN, so WAN, world area network, local area network here. So then public, public and private networks, private network. So cloud, so cloud we will discuss later. So, but these are the some general technical terms which we will discuss during the our regular classes here. Our regular classes we will discuss all those things here, right? So what is SID, right? So what is your system SID here? System SID means three alpha, three alpha numeric characters here, which means, so whenever you are installing the SAP system, we need to give the one name to connect with other business people. We will use these three alphanumeric characters here. So which means ECC, ECC or ABC, XYZ, something like that. So three alphanumeric characters. First letter should be the alphabets. Then it should not be a number like one AB, right? One XY. So like that. But it should be like A1B or A11 or C11 or D11, something like that. How once the baby is born, how we are giving the naming conventions to the born baby, same way we can give the so names to the one SID system alphabetical letters. We are giving the SID here, right? SID. Why? Because to identify the system. Suppose today I'm installing the one system, there should be one name, right? Otherwise, how can we call it as? Yesterday I did the one system, today one system, tomorrow one system, means there is a confusing, right? One technical name we have to keep it. That is called the SID. The alpha numeric characters we have to keep it here. Instance number means 0, 0 to 99. We have to keep the instance numbers here. Instance number means same as like Aadhaar card. We have the Ravi. Ravi means there are two, three people are there in the one street, right? But there is a how can they identify based upon the Aadhaar number, right? So based upon the employee number. So that's why so one SID, same SID, but different instance numbers will be separated here. So if the one SAP system, you need to provide the SID instance number, you have to give it. Application server means in your operating system, in your operating system, so this is the operating system. In this operating system here, in this operating system, so if you install in this operating system, if you install the in this operating system, if you install the SAP, in this operating system, if you install the SAP, so that is called the, if in this operating system, if you install SAP, this operating system is called the application server name. Application server name here. So suppose, so in this operating system, in this operating system, in this operating system, if you install the, in this operating system, if you install the SAP, this operating system name is called the SAP operating system. So maybe if in this operating system, if you install the database, then this database name is called the, this computer name is called the database name. Computer name means, so every computer you have the one name. If you go to the properties, this is the one. What is the OS? Windows Server. So what is the computer name? This is one. If you install the operating system, in this operating system, in this system, this name is called the operating system name, application name. Database, this name is called the database name here. So like that, so we have the, so naming application server name, database name, instance. Once you install the SAP application server, it will create the two instances. It will create the two instances here. One is the primary application server. Second one is the additional ASCS primary application server, and ASCS application server. You will get it out here, right? That you will get after the installation. Network, we know. LAN, local area network. WAN, public. Public means you can access the server from anywhere. Private means only dedicated IP, only you can access it here. So like that. So you won't get all those things. You know all those things, but only these four things you should remember. These four things you should remember. What is SID? What is instance number? What is application server name means? What is the DB server name? What is the instance? So these five things you should know about this one. These five things you should know about this one here. SID, instance number, application server, DB server, and instance. These five things everybody should know about these five things here. Okay. So this is about your technical terms, SAP technical terms here. So going forward, we may have to discuss more things on the SID. You will get why, because when you are doing the SAP installation, you may have to keep the SAP system SID. SAP system instance number, application server, DB server, all those things we have to give it. So that's why we need to keep the SID instance number, all those things we have to keep it here. Okay. So that is the SAP technical terms here. Okay. Anyone? Any questions?
Sir, hi, sir.
Yes, I.
Sir, if we install the application and database in the same OS, sir, at the time, server will be same, right, sir, or
Yeah,
different?
DB host name and application server host name is same.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Mohan.
Sir, if we install application and server in different systems means how do you communicate with both of them?
Sister SWPM will communicate. SWPM will take care of that one. So during the installation time,
SW.
I will explain it here. So
Okay.
while doing there is a installation types of installations. Sorry, doing the installation time, I have to explain this one types of installations, which means standard installation, distributed installation, high availability. Standard means SAP and DB are on the same host. Distributed means SAP on the one host, DB on the one host. So that is the distributed. High availability means one data center, two second data center here, high availability. So distributed means SAP on the one host, DB on the one host here. So how it will communicate means SAP knows where it is DB, right? Why? Because while installing the SAP, it will ask the DB server name. That time we need to provide the DB server host details and everything. We have to provide it.
Okay.
That you will get when we start the SWPM tool. That time you will get the more information.
Okay. Thank you.
So this is the operating system. So today I will provision the accounts for everybody. Just you can log in, you can validate your access and everything. So then why? Because Monday onwards you need to do the installations, implementations. You have to perform it. So